resort in Hawaii. I'm gonna give you guys a little tour. We're in Kona. Are you serious? A little place to have some coffee in the morning. The beach is literally just over there. Like, so close. It's so pretty here. There she is. Oh. Gonna have some bacon and eggs here in the morning. We got a 2-bedroom, king size beds. Look how cute this. Look how cute it is. Oh. Oh, hi guys. Hi guys. We've been traveling all day. It's been good.
It comes with laundry detergent.
Oh good. Look at this nice shower. You can't really tell, but it's blue.
Blue?
Like blue.
Oh, there's a stool for when I get tired.
Stool for when she gets tired. She gets her own king size bed. Can hang up clothes if she wants. Man.
Add pillows if I want.
Lucky. Got a clawfoot tub. Say hi. Hi guys. Hi guys. Oh, we even have a little. Goes out to the lanai. That's what it's called.
And we're packing up books in Ziploc baggies.
We made it. We're so excited. We're so excited.
Yay!
Everyone's so excited. Okay, so we're going to the beach. First thing we had to do, just walking along. There's lots of cute little shops. Along where we are, we went north of where our Airbnb is. But it's a little rainy right now, which is totally fine because it's still like 75, 80 degrees. But like, we're here.
Smile.
So it's like 5:45 the first morning here. Obviously it's like 8:45 our time. No, 9:45. Anyway, so we're up. The sun is about to come up. I'm gonna make some coffee, and it's just like beautiful. Obviously, like we're in paradise. So the birds are out singing and making all this noise, and it's just like beautiful. But yeah, I'm gonna make us some coffee and drink my little drinks. Don't judge me, I haven't got my Kona coffee yet. So we just got some of this at the grocery store. While that brews, while my coffee is brewing, I'm gonna make my little I don't like this stuff. It doesn't taste very good, but I know that it's good for me. It's got prebiotics and probiotics and super greens and fiber or whatever. So, cheers. We did it.
Sunrise is just going out the second, which is pretty like orange.
Okay, so I had to go buy a hoodie yesterday because I've been a little cold. I don't know if it's because I got a little sunburn before we came, but whatever. Regardless, the flights were really cold yesterday, so I think I just needed to have this. Anyway, it's like 6:14 right now. All the birds are just like yelling at each other and fighting with each other. I love it. I love all the naturey sounds. I'm just reading my book. I'm almost done with it. Also, my daughter got me this book for Mother's Day. It's actually been really good. I read most of it on the plane yesterday. It's been a very easy read. Definitely recommend. But I think today what the plan is we're gonna do a little exercise. I want to try and keep to somewhat of my routine as far as like my eating goes and my working out goes, just because I want to try and keep my body as normal as I can this trip. I think we're gonna probably go explore a little after our workout. I don't know if we're gonna go for like a little jog or if we're gonna go to the gym. I know this resort has like a gym here, so we might go check that out today. But I really want to run along the beach, like not on the beach because I'm not that good, but I definitely want to like run and have that be like the scenery, just because we're at sea level and it's an amazing view. So that's kind of what the plan is today. We might check out the farmers market. I heard that was really cool. It's like half a mile up the road from where we are, so maybe we'll walk there and get some like fresh fruits, fresh pineapples. I just can't get over how pretty this place is, and it's like seeing all of the hibiscus, and I don't know what the other flowers are called. They're on a tree and they're white, and then they have like a yellow center, but then they also have ones that are like this really cute pretty pink, and then they have an orange center in them. It's just so beautiful and so relaxing here, and the trees are amazing and they're all huge, and it's so pretty, and it's so nice to just be on vacation and not have to worry about work and not have to worry about like life, and just, you know, pretend that we're Moana for a minute. It's really fun though. Going to the farmers market. So pretty out here. You guys check out this view. We're right on the water. It's so pretty. So this one looks like it's a black sand beach, yeah? So I am really fortunate that I was able to fly my drone and learn how to use it a bunch while I was in Kona, Hawaii. I believe the only place that I wasn't allowed to fly it was obviously near like the airport and in the national park where the volcano was. But I feel like I got some really cool footage over the snorkeling beach. You can see a lot of the yellow tang. We were told that is why this used to be called the Golden Coast, because of all of the yellow tang fish that inhabit this area. I'm pretty sure that the footage that I got is Google picture worthy. But yeah, if you guys have any tips or tricks on how to fly the drone and have it be a little bit more cinematic, leave me a comment, and I'm more than open to any type of advice. But the footage that I got just shows how beautiful the ocean is, and the rocks and all the fish and just everything in Kona, Hawaii. Okay, so we just went snorkeling and I got bit by a fish, so that was cool. And then I fell on the rocks as I was getting out of the water. So again, super cool. Love all of that. Got our brand new swimsuits on. Got our cool little puka necklace from the farmer's market. But, you know, other than getting bit by a fish, it's pretty amazing. What? The walk? Entirely sure where to go, but we are going into a forest area. It's beautiful. Hey Batman.
Hi.
Are you having the best time?
Yeah.
This is the most beautiful place ever.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wow. There it is. Lost the child.
You're like stuck inside the wet stuff.
Wow. It's really clear here. But it's good snorkeling weather here. Looks like a good place for some turtles. If I was a turtle, I'd come hang out here. Where are the turtles? All the way down there?
No.
I'm trying to find the turtles. We found a turtle. He's a big guy. He's a real big guy. He looks like he's an old man. So we're gonna get as close to him as we can, as we're allowed. He's snoozing. There he is. Doing turtle things. So I think we saw what, four turtles? 2 on land, 2 in the water. So cool. Don't worry, we stayed at least 20 feet or more away. We don't want to be those people that are getting too close and stressing them out. It's a really cool little beach, cool walk. Not a whole lot of shells, which we're a little disappointed about, but it's okay. It's still beautiful here. This was maybe like a quarter of a mile walk from the parking area. Maybe half a mile, I don't know, but not too long to be able to see the turtles. They have a sign right before you start to see the turtles that says basically respect them and stay at least 20 feet away, which I appreciate because there's some people who don't respect the wildlife and get too close. I wish they had it in a more visible area just so that people could know, but that's okay. At least they have the sign.
Maybe they didn't grow up down this way.
Got this one. $30 on fat nuts. Fat nuts.
Why are they fat?
Haley got some.
I spent 30.
She spent 30. She got some toffee, macadamia nut toffee, and then some cute pens. Ben got some milk chocolate macadamia nuts, and then some milk chocolate, and then some other stuff for his family. Oh, you got it! Cheering on the people doing Iron Man. Oh man, what a good day. What a good day. It was definitely worth it. They give you samples of all the flavors of the macadamia nuts, and they have coffee samples too. They have like a flavored, like a coconut cream flavored coffee, and then just like a plain Kona flavored coffee. Sorry, Kona coffee, not Kona flavored coffee. They were both really good. They were very friendly there, very helpful. They had a clean bathroom. It's definitely worth the drive if you're staying in the Kona area. And now we're gonna go find an acai bowl.
Island life.
Oh.